involves being present in the moment and paying attention to thoughts and feelings without judgment. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, can have positive effects on stress reduction and overall well-being. Practices, such as meditation, can have positive effects on stress reduction and overall well-being. Additionally, individuals can reduce stress by taking breaks and engaging in self-care activities. Taking a few minutes to step away from work, stretch, or engage in a hobby can help individuals reduce stress and increase focus when they return to their tasks. Finally, building a support system is an important stress reduction strategy. This involves surrounding oneself with supportive individuals who can offer encouragement, advice, and a listening ear. Having a strong support system can help individuals manage stress and overcome challenges. Tips for implementing time management and stress reduction strategies. 1. Prioritize tasks. Identify the most important tasks and allocate time and resources accordingly. Avoid wasting time on irrelevant tasks. 2. Plan a routine. Identify the most productive times of the day and allocate tasks accordingly. Establish a routine that includes breaks and self-care activities. 3. Learn to delegate. Identify tasks that can be delegated to others and assign them to team members. Delegation promotes team collaboration and can free up time for critical tasks. 4. Practice self-care. Take breaks, engage in hobbies, and practice mindfulness. Prioritizing self-care activities can help individuals reduce stress and increase focus. 5. Build a support system. Surround oneself with supportive individuals who can offer encouragement, advice, and a listening ear. A strong support system can help individuals manage stress and overcome challenges. 6. Avoid multitasking. Focusing on one task at a time can help individuals complete tasks more efficiently and reduce stress. 7. Take advantage of technology. Use tools such as task management apps and calendars to stay organized and manage time effectively. 8. Set boundaries. Establishing boundaries and learning to say no to non-essential tasks can help reduce stress and increase focus. 9. Practice time blocking. This involves scheduling specific blocks of time for certain tasks, allowing individuals to prioritize and accomplish more in less time. 10. Take care of physical health. Good physical health can help individuals better manage stress and maintain focus. This includes getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly. 11. Use the Pomodoro technique. This involves breaking work into 25-minute intervals with a 5-minute break in between to increase focus and productivity. 12. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications and remove any unnecessary items from your work area to minimize distractions and improve focus. 13. Keep a to-do list. This allows individuals to stay organized and prioritize tasks effectively. 14. Take deep breaths. When feeling stressed, taking deep breaths can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. 15. Stay positive. Maintaining a positive attitude and focusing on solutions rather than problems can improve overall well-being and increase motivation. 16. Seek help when needed. If feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to ask for help from coworkers or managers to reduce workload and stress. 17. Take breaks from technology. Unplugging from technology, even for a short period, can help reduce stress and increase focus.